So today we're taking out a bee colony from this grain turret. The bees are in the floor of this property. They've been seen going in under the tiles from the external. So we're going to take the bees out via the floor. So what we've done is we've peeled back the carpet and the underlay, and what we have to do now is just drill a couple of holes to locate where the bees are, so then we don't take or cut boards out that are unnecessary for the removal. The bees could potentially be in the plasterboard wall, the cavity wall, or the floor here. So it's a possibility for a 3-point angle removal. So we'll see. So we've taken a piece of the flooring out and we've revealed the combs that are here. This colony has clearly been here for a long time, or the combs have been. Unfortunately, the bees looks like they have either died or they've swarmed off with the warm weather that we've had, and this is why there's no bees here. As you can see, there's a lot of honey in here, so we actually need to remove this. If it warms up in here, it will start to melt, and then the customer will then get honey dripping through the ceiling. Because without the bees can't maintain the comb or the temperature, so in which case the comb is just left there to its own devices. So the other issue you get with leaving comb in a property is you get wax moth, and wax moth will eat the comb itself, and then if there's honey in those combs, the honey will then drip because the cells are being eaten away. So we're going to start to proceed to take the combs out, and we'll see how big it gets. So we've now pulled out all of the comb that we found from the colony that had colonised under the floor here. What we've got left to do now is just clean up the underside of the boards, clean up inside of here, take out as much of the comb and residue away as we can, and then all those dead bees, and then we're going to stuff it full of insulation, put the boards back, and then proof the external so nothing can come back in once we're finished here today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.